Have you ever dreamed of exploring the most fascinating corners of nature? Get ready for a journey that will take you from the depths of space to the most spectacular landscapes of our planet. In this video, we will immerse ourselves in the world of the most amazing natural phenomena, from the brilliant northern lights and magical bioluminescent plankton to the impressive rainbow mountains and mysterious geysers. All of this and much more on this fascinating journey through the world's most incredible natural phenomena. Don't miss out and subscribe for more content like this. Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis is an impressive natural phenomenon that occurs in polar regions of the planet, especially in the northern hemisphere. It happens when charged particles emitted by the sun interact with Earth's atmosphere and produce a display of lights in the night sky. The colors that can be seen range from green to red, and the Aurora Borealis is a spectacle that attracts tourists from all over the world. Bioluminescent plankton. Bioluminescent plankton is a type of plankton that produces light. It is common in oceans and lakes around the world and is one of the most beautiful phenomena of nature. When the bioluminescent plankton is agitated by the water, it produces a bright and beautiful glow that resembles an underwater rain of stars. Geysers. Geysers are a geothermal phenomenon that occurs when underground water comes into contact with magma and is heated to high temperatures. The pressure that builds up causes the water to erupt to the surface in the form of a hot water and steam jet. The most famous geyser is the Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park in the United States. Maelstroms. Maelstroms are water whirlpools that occur in the sea when a stream of water meets another. They are known to be extremely dangerous and can create very strong underwater currents. One of the most well-known maelstroms is the Moskstraumen in Norway. Rainbow mountains. Rainbow mountains are a unique natural formation that occurs when rocks and minerals oxidize and change color. The mountains look like a rainbow on land and are impressive to see in person. One of the most famous places to see rainbow mountains is the Zhangyadanxia National Park in China. Remember that if you're enjoying the video, you could support me with your subscription or like. I would really appreciate it. Red tide. Red tide is a natural phenomenon that occurs when certain marine algae reproduce in large quantities and release a toxin that can kill fish and other marine organisms. Red tide can make seawater appear red or brown and can be dangerous to humans if contaminated seafood is consumed. Sliding rocks. Sliding rocks are a natural phenomenon in Death Valley National Park in California, United States. These are large rocks that move on their own over the surface of the desert floor, leaving a trail behind them. The movement of these rocks has been the subject of many theories over the years, but a definitive explanation has yet to be reached. Spotted Lake. Spotted Lake is a lake located in Canada that is known for its beauty and the rocks that surround it. The rocks have white and black spots, which make the landscape very picturesque. It is also a popular spot for swimming and hiking. Supercils. Supercils are very large and violent storms that occur when a mass of warm and humid air meets a mass of cold and dry air. They are known to produce strong winds, hail, and tornadoes, and are considered one of the most dangerous storms on the planet. Waterfalls. Waterfalls are formations of water that occur when water flows over a rock or cliff. Waterfalls can be small and tranquil or large and powerful. Some of the world's most famous waterfalls include Niagara Falls on the border of Canada and the United States, and Victoria Falls on the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia. I hope you have enjoyed this tour as much as I have and have learned something new and interesting. If you want to keep exploring the wonderful world around us, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And remember, there is always something more to discover, so keep your eyes open and never stop exploring. Until next time.